you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well. I am back at it again with another colorful look for you guys, and I love how this turned out, as I always do on all my looks. I hope that you like it. If you want to learn how to get this look with only one brush guys, that's all I use to create this beautiful look, please continue watching. So the products I'm going to be using today are the color-based primers, and I am going to start off with the Fresh Aqua color, which is this one. This color is so beautiful. It has to be one of my top favorite colors from the whole color wheel. So I'm going to start off with this, and today I'm not going to be applying it on the back of my hand like I always do. I want to show you guys a little hack. Well, I don't know if you want to call it a little hack, but I call it a little hack myself. I don't know if anybody else does it. So, you know, usually if you're a makeup artist, you have a little palette where you could go ahead and mix your colors and all that stuff. Well, I can't find mine, so I went ahead and I took the lid off a candle that I don't use anymore. I washed it off and everything, and this is where I mix my stuff. So if you don't have somewhere to mix your creams and your liquids and all that, I highly suggest you try one of these. I know it's funny, but it's really good, to be honest. So that's what I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to apply this color on here. I'm going to start off with that much because you really don't need a lot of product. This product is really pigmented, and the brush I'm going to be using for the whole look, yes, I only used one brush, is this one. That's literally all I used. Sometimes you could get really nice makeup with just one brush, guys. You should try it out. So I'm going to take this color and start working it in my brush like I'm doing now. So as you can see, I have the product on there, and I'm going to start applying this tone right here. I do have mascara on, disregard that. I did this look that I have on my face right now, which is my spring foundation routine, which is coming out very, very soon. So keep on the lookout for that. That's why I have mascara on. So I'm not going to be using any primer or anything because these are base primers. So I'm going to take this tone, and I'm going to start applying it right here in the inner 1/3 of my lid. I'm gonna start packing on the color first, making sure it's really present in the look, and then kind of blending out on the top so there's no harsh lines or harsh edges. And if it's necessary, you can go ahead and add more product. Okay, there we have it. That's the first tone. Now the next one I'm going to be using today is the Purple Cream, which is another base primer. I'm going to apply this on my little plate. Going to take that much. And to this purple, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of white so I could get like a lilac color kind of. So that's how much I'm going to be adding right now. I'm going to go ahead and mix these two tones. Let me show you guys, and get a lighter purple. There we go. That's a really pretty purple, guys. And I'm going to be adding this color right next to the blue. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my brush on my microfiber towel, and as you can see, it looks a little clean. Now I'm going to go ahead and start blending these two tones together so there is no harsh lines. You can see how easily these colors blend in together, guys. They are really pretty by themselves. So now for the next tone, I did go ahead and add a little bit of pink, which the pink is called Barbie Pink, and I literally just added it right here. And I'm going to go ahead and mix a little bit of white, which is called Whiteout, to get a lighter pink. So there's the tones, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix them. This mixing part is really fun, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. You can create so many pretty colors, which is really fun. And that pink is really pretty. That's exactly what I'm looking for. And then the cool thing about using something like this is that the product won't get absorbed. So that's pretty cool too. So now I'm going to add this pink, starting right here and working upwards. And I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line a little bit, like that much. There we go. We already deposited the pink. Now I'm going to clean off my brush, which I will show you guys because I haven't showed you guys. I'm going to take my microfiber towel and literally swish the brush around, clean it off. It does look pink, but there's no product on it. And I'm going to start softening this up. I'm just going to be tapping in the color. Make sure it's blending in right here so it could look a little softer. And now I'm going to start blending this just a little bit. I don't want it to blend out a lot. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back with all the colors and deepen it up a little bit more. Now that I have applied all the colors once more on the top, I'm going to go ahead and with whatever's left, I'm going to start off. As you saw, I already applied the pink on the lower lash line. I'm going to take the purple because you think there's nothing on it, but there's actually product on here. And I'm going to apply this right here on the center part because I do want to go ahead and add every single color that I have on top on the bottom as well. So that's enough of the purple. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some of the blue, or the aqua, I should say. This color is so beautiful, guys. It's stunning, to be honest, by itself. And I'm going to go ahead and add that right here on the inner part. Now, as you can see, I do have a little splash of green. So I'm going to take the green called Jade, and I'm going to apply a little tinsy bit on my little circle, I'm going to call it. Now that I have it on here, I'm going to take it on my brush and apply the tiniest amount right in the front part, which is right there. So now, like I told you guys, I do have some mascara on, but I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. And if you're a follower of mine, you know I hate this part. I do have some mascara on though. And I want to go ahead and add a little bit more. So I'm going to take my L'Oreal Telescopic, apply a little bit more on the bottom as well. There we go. Now the lashes I'm going to be wearing today are from a brand called Lashes by Eva and More, and they're in the style Shy Girl. I'll take it out for you guys so you can see it. It's really pretty. I have worn it in the past, that's why it looks a little wonky, but it's a really pretty lash. So I'm going to go ahead, pop this on, and I'll be right back to show you the lip I chose. For lips, I'm going to wear these two together. They are both from Beauty Creations. This one is a matte lipstick in Sweetheart, and it's really pretty. Looks like this. And then the gloss is called Status. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these two on. And this is the final look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I really hope that I was able to show you something if you didn't know how to use them, or if you didn't know that you could do a look with just one brush, you are always able to do that. Thank you so much for watching. I highly appreciate it. And if you do any of my looks, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I always like to post you guys. And also, I will be having more looks using the color wheel. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to do it, because as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be having a massive giveaway and you do not want to miss it. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.